Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar, and thank you for subscribing and viewing. I do appreciate that. Today we're going to make a drink called the ROC SPECIAL. It comes from Jasper LeFranc from the ROC Hotel, 1972 in Jamaica. He's got a mix called Jasper's Mix. I've already pre-made that. I'll put that side recipe in the main recipe so you can make it. It consists of lime juice, some baker's sugar, Angostura, and then some fresh ground nutmeg. So those four ingredients are in this, what they call Jasper's mix. I think he did it to expedite the pouring of the cocktails at the hotel, but I've broken it down into four separate quantities so you can make it at home. All right, well, let's get started. Calls for 1.5 Appleton, the Jamaican Gold. This is the 80 proof. And 1/2 Drambuie, Scotch and honey. 1/2. And one of Jasper's mix. All right, it's pretty simple, 3 ingredients. Of course, that mix is a little complicated. So I've got a couple of cubes here. I'm just going to whip this. I don't want to destroy the ABV, which is about 27%. And pour it into a cracked ice Mai Tai or double rocks glass. Pour the whole thing in there. And there you have it. This is the ROC Special. Hope you like it. Appreciate you watching. And we'll see you next time.